Welcome to my channel, Jenny's Bilingual Bridge. Today is December 6, 2025, where you will continue learning 6 to 12 o'clock and midnight and dawn. You already learned 1 o'clock to 5 o'clock in the previous video, so we'll continue learning 6 to 12. Let's start. 6 o'clock in Visayan is alas 6. It's the same in Tagalog, 6 to 12. 7 o'clock in Visayan is alas 7. 8 o'clock is alas 8. 9 o'clock is alas 9. 10 o'clock is alas 10. 11 o'clock is alas 11. 12 o'clock alas 12. Midnight is in Visayan tungang gabi. In Tagalog, hating gabi. Dawn in Visayan is kaadlawon, and in Tagalog, madaling araw. Alright, this is all for today. See you next time and enjoy learning. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share, and see you in my next video.